are now at the lake that I like to call Lake Peace. This lake makes me center my soul and my mind. The ducks probably are somewhere else. I don't know. Here's Chong. Sometimes he's never at peace. He just wants to keep going. And he does not like the motorcycles. I don't know why. Him and the motorcycles don't get along. I think it's because they're so loud. So I try to take him places that the motorcycles aren't. See, here now he is looking at the lake a little bit. He likes to look at the lake too. That trail down there, I don't always like to go down because I'm afraid I'm going to fall and slip. And that would be not a good thing. I'd probably have to start screaming and then somebody that walked nearby would eventually find me. But I figured this could give everybody peace. If they didn't have peace for the day, they come look at the lake and feel at peace.